New Instagram story features. Add your story chance. How to use it. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use add your story chain features on Instagram story. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here first of all, go to app. After going to app store, what you need to do here, you have to just search for Instagram. Okay, so after searching for Instagram, make sure that you update your Instagram application. So after updating, let me just show you what you need to do. Or if you are using Android, go to Google Play Store and make sure to update your Instagram. It's done, so let me just click on open option. This is my official Instagram account, so just go to the story section. Just let me just click a random picture here, and here just select the color. Okay, now here click on down option and you can see the sticker icon. Simply tap on the sticker icon and you can see add yours. Simply tap on add yours and you can write anything you want, and you can create a chain from your story. Just you can send it to your stories and then this will create a chain of your stories. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.